Hello everyone, back with me again in this channel. On today's video, I'm gonna show you the 4K video tutorial on CapCut. So here I've already added a video and you can just go to adjust, and in here click on the brightness and set it into -8 and set the saturations into 10, and then go to sharpen and set it into 100, and last click on the highlight and set it into around 20 like this. Click on the check icon, and next you can just go back and then find video effects, choose basic and find the edge glow and set the effect into around 7 or 8. Okay, after that click on the check icon and set it into all of the clips and add another effects. Okay, so now go to basic again and then choose soft. Okay, this one, and set it into around 7. Okay, click on the check icon and then set it until the end of the clip. So here is the result, and then you can just export the video like this. Oh, before you export, you need to set the resolution into the highest and also the frame rate into 60. Okay, after that just click on export. Okay guys, so that's all for me. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, click on thanks, comment and subscribe. I'll see you all in the next tutorial. Bye.